Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Widget Dragon Car. Today I would like to show you some interesting diecast and Hot Wheel car from the Captain box. Okay, now let's take the first one. This is a very nice. This is a very nice motor car. Okay, let's check the picture everyone. It looks great. It looks amazing. It looks fantastic. Now check the rear body with white color. Wow, very cool everyone, very cool. Check the sound of wheel. Let's go to another interesting. Oh my god, let's go to. Okay, it's the sham model. About this one everyone. Wow. It's a tiny car with a small wheel or a tiny wheel. Matchbox. Okay everyone, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment. Very cool everyone. It's like a pickup, right? A pickup truck.